In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide text in a Microsoft Word document. This can be especially useful if you want to keep certain information hidden in a printed document, or if you need to focus on specific sections of your document without distractions. Let's get right into it. First, open the Microsoft Word file where you want to hide or unhide the text. Make sure that you've located the specific content you want to modify. To do this, simply navigate to the document and double-click to open it. This will bring us to our main area of focus. Now, with your document opened, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see various tabs like Home, Insert, and so on. Click on the Home tab if it isn't already selected. This menu gives you an array of options to format and edit text. Towards the right side of this tab, find an area labeled Font. It includes familiar choices like bold, italics, and underline, things you've probably used often. What we're really interested in today, though, is a small, often unnoticed button in this section. It's a little diagonal arrow pointing downwards, located at the bottom right corner of the group. When you click this arrow, it opens the font dialog box. This is a powerful tool that provides even more options for customizing text, including the feature we're focusing on in this guide. In the font dialog box, you'll notice different settings and options specific to fonts and text effects. Look carefully, and you'll find a section labeled Effects. Here you will see options like strike-through and superscript, but for today's task, pay special attention to the option labeled Hidden. Checking this option allows you to hide the selected text. It's a handy way to protect sensitive information or simply streamline the visible content of your document. Once you've checked the hidden option for the text you want to conceal, you may wonder how to make it visible again. The answer is simple. Go back into the same font dialog box, navigate again to the Effects section, and uncheck that same hidden option. This will unhide the selected text, making it visible once more in your document. This functional toggle makes it incredibly easy to manage the visible content of your files as per your needs. After you've made your selection, either checking or unchecking the box, don't forget the crucial step of confirming your action. Simply click OK at the bottom of the dialog box. This saves all the changes you've made and applies them to your document. And that's all there is to it. You've now mastered the skill of hiding and unhiding text in Microsoft Word. This can be a valuable tool in various situations, whether you're preparing a confidential report, drafting personal notes, or simply organizing your content more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tip as helpful as I do. See you in the next video.